Good afternoon. Today is Friday, April 10th. I'm Jim Weatherup, Chairman of the Oswego County Legislature. With me today is Diane Oldenburg, Senior Public Health Educator for the Oswego County Health Department. First, I'd like to thank all of you who are practicing our social distancing recommendations. Your efforts are paying off. Oswego County's unicast social distancing grade improved from a D to a C over the past week. We still have a way to go, but we are improving. Now I will ask Diane Oldenburg to provide today's daily numbers.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. As of today, we have had 886 residents tested or scheduled to be tested for COVID-19. We've had 42 positive test results come back in. We have 20 residents that have recovered. We've had 2 deaths due to COVID-19 in the county. 764 negative test results have been returned, and 76 results are still pending. Currently, we have 97 residents under precautionary quarantine and 76 residents under mandatory isolation or quarantine. Thank you.
Thank you, Diane. I want to remind our residents that we now have voluntary travel recommendations in place, just like our neighbors in Onondaga County. This simply asks that residents who are born in odd years try to run their essential errands on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. We encourage people who are born in even-numbered years to do likewise on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. Sundays, we're encouraging folks to stay home. Of course, we realize this may not work for everyone. We would never ask people to miss medical appointments or skip work based on the voluntary travel recommendations. But we do ask you to please use common sense and realize that the more that we can keep people apart, the greater our chance of stopping the spread of COVID-19. For the health and safety of our solid waste personnel, as well as the public using our facilities, we are also asking people to avoid non-essential trips to the solid waste facilities until the governor lifts the executive order on non-essential travel. People can carry this virus and not have the symptoms. They may not know they are infected. That's why it's so important to follow these recommendations of our county health department. Stay home as much as possible. Follow voluntary travel schedules. Avoid non-essential gatherings of all types and sizes. All non-essential gatherings of any size are banned. Keep 6 feet away from people. Wash your hands often with soap and water for at least 20 seconds, especially before eating. Cover your cough or sneeze into a tissue and then throw the tissue in the trash. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth. Avoid close contact with people who are sick. Stay home if you are sick. Please do not go to an emergency department unless you are experiencing life-threatening conditions. Clean and disinfect frequently touched objects and surfaces. Symptoms of COVID-19 include fever, cough, difficulty breathing, and gastrointestinal illness. People with symptoms should call their medical provider or their health department at 315-349-3330. The health department's hotline is staffed 7 days a week from 8:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. Go to health.oswegocounty.forward/COVID-19 for the latest news releases, daily updates, and video presentations, or visit oswegocounty.com. As we celebrate this Easter holiday, I strongly encourage you to do so in the confines of your own home with only the members of your own household present. We're all in this together, and I thank you again for your continued patience and cooperation.